This screencast is going to give you an overview of the cell model planning paper and the process that you should use to complete it. Remember, our learning target and goal go along with the idea of developing a model that can describe the function of a cell as a whole and the ways that the parts of the cells contribute to the function. So in essence, we want to know how a cell is able to survive and what the different jobs of the organelles are. So when you are completing this planning paper, you want to start by talking about who is in your group, whether you are alone or with some partners. So fill in the names. And you want to tell what kind of project you're going to make. And for a little reminder, you can look back at the daily plan at those 5 choices. 4 of them given to you as options, and the 5th choice was an option of your own that you had. But again, you needed to make sure that you checked with me to be sure that it would meet the needs and expectations of the project. From there, you want to describe what is your plan going to be in order to create your project, your model. So you're going to have to think about what you need in order to make the model. So that's going to be making the first step. What are you going to need? What materials will you need? If you're doing a model that is a skit, you want to think about what props are you going to need. Okay. You want to make sure you think about how are you going to represent how the cell survives. What does the cell need in order to survive? Are there any certain processes that the cell uses in order to survive? Okay. You're going to need to think about who is going to be responsible for doing what jobs during the creation of the model. And remember, everyone should be involved equally. So who's going to be doing what job while the model is being created? And then, similarly, who is going to do what during the performance, during the sharing out of your model? Okay? And again, thinking about how everyone should be involved equally with that. Okay? So this is where you kind of plan out those nitty-gritty details. Now, on the following page, we are going to get into kind of listing what organelles are going to be included in your model and what jobs those organelles do. So you are going to want to list out the organelles. A little reminder, if you are doing an animal cell, you want to make sure you list the animal cell organelles. If you're doing a plant cell, you want to make sure you list out the plant organelles because there are some slight differences between plant and animal cells. Okay? Along with that, again, list the jobs that those organelles do. And then last but not least, you want to list and tell how are you going to creatively represent the organelle or function. If you're writing a story, what is your character going to be like? You want to again do it creatively. You don't want to just have a storybook that says, this is the nucleus. It does this. You want to think of some creative ways to tell that. Okay? All right. So again, if you do need to just review the expectations, remember you can look at the rubric as well, which is a follow-up screencast. Thank you.